On the 10th of August 2023, 10-year-old Sara Sharif was found dead in the upstairs bedroom of her family home in Surrey. She had been subjected to an appalling catalogue of abuse in the weeks, months, and even years before she died. Suffering broken bones, burns from an iron, she was tied up and she was repeatedly abused and bruised. The question for a jury at the Old Bailey in London is who was responsible for that violence and ultimately for her murder. Her father, Urfan Sharif, her stepmother, Beinash Batool, and her uncle, Faisal Malik, are all on trial, accused of murder. The court is hearing evidence from neighbours who heard piercing, gut-wrenching screams coming from the Sharif household. They heard signs of rattling, banging, clattering, and smacking. Teachers at Sara's school say they noticed bruises on her face. They believe that a hijab was put over the bruises in order to cover up signs of that abuse. When Sara's body was discovered, left behind also as the family fled to Pakistan, was a letter written by Sara's father. In it, he apparently confessed to the murder. He said he had subjected his daughter to beatings, and in his words, he had beaten her too much. In a call to police from Pakistan, he again said he was responsible for her death. He said that she had been naughty and he had been beating her as a punishment. Now on trial, Urfan Sharif says he was not responsible for the murder, and it was, in fact, Sara's stepmother who was responsible for the violence, for the abuse, and ultimately for her death. The prosecution say that all three defendants, father, stepmother, and uncle, are guilty of murder. They are pointing the finger of blame at each other, and Faisal Malik says although he lived in the house, he had no idea what was happening to his niece. Sharif, Batool, Malik all deny charges of murder and allowing or causing the death of a child. The trial continues.